So let's talk about the types of plate boundaries. When two plates meet or collide together, we call that a convergent plate boundary. Let's write that down. So one of the types of the plate boundaries is a convergent plate boundary, and that's when two plates collide or meet. Now, recall from our previous lessons that the oceanic crust is more dense and the continental crust is less dense. So that means that if I have a convergent boundary where two plates are meeting or converging or colliding, and if I have an oceanic plate colliding with a continental plate, the oceanic plate will sink because the oceanic plate is more dense. So remember, plate is a piece of the lithosphere, which is the crust plus the upper mantle. Now, when the oceanic plate sinks, it comes in contact with magma. It starts to melt, and the heat causes it to rise up or even explode into a volcano. So, we know that in convergent plate boundaries, we can form volcanoes. This can also cause really huge earthquakes to form. So another thing that forms is a trench, as you can see right here. So a trench is a long, narrow dip, as you can see, or a depression in the Earth's crust. So when an oceanic plate sinks under a continental plate, we also create a trench. And you can see this in this picture as well. An oceanic crust and the continental crust are converging or coming together, and the oceanic crust sinks because it is more dense. That causes it to melt and rise, forming volcanoes. And the convergence can also create a trench, which is a narrow dip. Now, what happens if a continental and a continental plate collide? If two continental crusts or plates collide or come together in a convergent boundary, they both have the same density because they're both continental crusts. So, what's going to happen is they're going to both rise, creating these mountain ranges. And what happens if two oceanic plates converge or collide? Well, the thing about oceanic crusts is that as an oceanic crust becomes older, it actually becomes more dense because it gets colder over time. We'll talk about why it gets colder over time in the future, but older oceanic crust is actually more dense. And because of that, if two oceanic crusts meet, the older oceanic crust will sink or subduct. Subduct is another word for sink. And it will create about the same effect as if an oceanic crust sinks under a continental crust. It will melt, rise, and form volcanoes and even earthquakes, as well as trenches. So let's write down the structures that are formed by the convergent boundaries and some natural disasters as well. So we learned that convergent boundaries create trenches, they create mountains, they create earthquakes, and they can even create volcanoes. This is a picture right here of a trench. When the oceanic crust sinks under a continental crust, we create a dip called a trench. Pause this video to write these notes down.